everybody, and welcome to What's Good with Sergeant Show. I'm your host. What's my name again? I think you know it. You know, I'm drinking and reviewing beers today. It's like episode 5 or 6 of Clean Out the Fridge with Sergeant Show. I got to get all these beers out of my fridge. I'm tired of looking at them. So we're drinking them all, one at a time. And I'm struck by the fact that when I go to different towns and to different places, then I buy the weirdest beers. And I think that's, you feel like, hey, I'm going to do beer reviews. Let's do all the weird shit. I don't know how that works, but that's how it works. So, you know, we drink every single beer in the universe. We rate it on a scale of 1 to 12. Today, I have something very, very unique. It is a banana cream pie sour ale. Yes, a banana cream pie sour ale. Not like a cream ale or a stout or an imperial, but a sour ale with banana puree, cream cheese, cinnamon, graham crackers, milk, sugar, vanilla, and marshmallow. Woo! Holy shit. And would you look at this thing? Nothing has settled into the bottom of the cup yet. I poured it a while ago. So that's good because I was afraid there'd just be chunks of shit just floating in this. But there's not. That's a good sign. It's not an ultimately good sign, but it's at least a good start. So you know what we do? We drink them, rate them on a scale of 1 to 12, and we take 3 big gulps. Hey, Greenlee, Colorado is where this brewery is from. What is the name of the brewery again? WeldWorks Brewing Company in Greenlee, Colorado. Colorado seems to just attract weirdness and beer weirdness too. Let's take 3 big gulps. Oh my. Goodness. Well, phew. You know, here's the thing. If it wasn't for the sour finish, this would actually probably be a pretty damn good beer. It's that banana cream pie, as I'm starting it and as I'm drinking it, I get it. And then you finish it and it's like, gone bad. Banana cream pie, gone bad. Hey, can you taste salmonella, do you think? Can you smell it? Anyways, This is probably somebody's jam, but probably not Sergeant Show's jam. Let's take 3 more gulps. We don't want to be too hasty. That's the scourge of our business. Okay. You know, here's the thing. I'm not going to go too low with this because it starts and kind of pours and drinks. Not bad. Not good either, but interesting. But with that sour finish, I'm going to go 4 with this guy. If you put this in a cream ale or something that had any kind of body or stoutness to it, I think this might actually be good. The marshmallow and the cinnamon and everything actually is surprisingly okay. But that sourness with this, no. We don't want to do that. That's a 4. And that's what's good with Sergeant Show. And if you aren't watching this, who gives a shit? It's more good beer or bad beer or whatever kind of beer for the rest of us. We're Oscar Mike.